Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. Herorange, a renowned domestic lipstick brand hailing from China. In this guide, I will not only demonstrate how to create an artistic depiction of the brand session, but also provide an insightful review of its exceptional offering. Okay, let's get started. To begin, let's launch the Adobe Fresco app. Choose square size. Select the image icon and click on Photo to choose a background image. Afterward, proceed to select a reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50, maintaining clarity and visibility of the reference image. Create the new layer. Click on Light Brushes and then select the oil option. Next, choose the oil pen flat brush. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. Choose the color white to use as the border color. It's time to begin replicating the design based on the reference image. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the Layer Opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Merge the recently drawn layer together. To avoid drawing the same design 3 times for 3 lip liquid, let's use the duplicate group layer feature. Reposition the 2 duplicates as needed. Ungroup the group layer to individual color each layer. Navigate to Leaf Brushes and choose the oil option. Then proceed to select the oil pen detail brush. Modify the brush size according to your preference. Use the color picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. Let's begin the process of coloring. Herorange is a lipstick brand that has impressed me with its qualities and range of products. I have been using their lip liquid for a while now, and I must say I'm highly satisfied with the result. First and foremost, the qualities of Herorange lip liquid is exceptional. The formula is smooth, creamy, and long-lasting. It glides on effortlessly and provides excellent color payoff. I appreciate that it doesn't feel overly drying on the lips, which can be a common concern with the matte lip products. One of the standout features of the matte lip liquid collection is its impressive coloring. Herorange offers a wide variety of shades, ranging from vibrant and bold to more subtle and everyday colors. Whether you're looking for a classic red, a trendy nude, or statement-making shade, you will find plenty of options to suit your style and mood. Merge the recently colored layer together. Continue the same process with the remaining 2 lip liquid. I also have to commend the longevity of Herorange matte lip liquid. One supply is stable for hours without faltering or smudging. Even after eating and drinking, the color remains intact, requiring only minimal touch-up throughout the day. This is a significant advantage, especially for those who prefer a low-maintenance lip product. We also begin by selecting the reference image of the matte lip liquid packaging. We also choose white color to create the outline. Adjust the brush size. First, we will draw a rectangular box shape. Herorange offers commendable qualities at an unexpectedly affordable price, catering specifically to the target audience of the student.
The overall packaging design of Herorange is exceptionally adorable, featuring a plush tone, face-shaped container. The use of soft pastel colors enhances its charm and appeal to the customers. Now, let's rearrange the layers and place the matte lip liquids inside the packaging. Choose the reference image of the lips. Select a pair of irresistibly seductive lips. Opt for the color white to create the outline. Adjust the brush size. Choose the oil pen flat. And let's proceed with the coloring. The affordability of Herorange matte lip liquid is worth mentioning. The price point is quite reasonable for the qualities and performance this offers, making it a great option for those who want a high-quality matte lip product without breaking the bank. Refine the reference image, moving it outside of the frame. Create a new layer. Use the color picker tool. It is recommended to apply a light base color to the background first, and then layer the darker shades on top to represent different lip pigments. Next, select the white lip outline layer and choose to delete it, resulting in a natural-looking image of the lips. Herorange matte lip liquid collection has exceeded my expectations. The formula, color range, longevity, and affordability make it a standout choice in the market. Whether you're a fan of bold statement lips or prefer a more natural everyday look, this collection has something to offer. I highly recommend giving Herorange matte lip liquid a try. And we have successfully completed the artwork featuring Herorange brand. If you also create beautiful drawings, don't forget to share them with me by commenting below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Charminliti channel and stay tuned for the next video.